Day everyone, content for today is about cookies. Yan, nakadisplay ng ating cookies guys. Ang pangalan nito ay Half Moon Cookies. Yan, masarap yan guys. Tapos may ulan-ulan na parang guys. Ito masarap to kainin guys. At ito pa guys. Yan. Coco cookies. Yummy yan guys, yummy. Pastry, chocolate cake. Yan guys, tag 12 pesos lang to guys. Yan. At may hopya pa tayo guys. Yan, sa halagang 7 pesos guys. Sulit sa bulsa guys. Ito pa guys. Pambansang bread. Munay at saka star bread. Yan guys, masarap to guys sa kape. Yan. Ito pa guys, may papaya bread. Masarap to guys. Lagyan natin ng palaman, lagyan natin ng ham. Yan, tas mayonnaise. Yan, masarap yan guys. Ito yung cheese roll guys, 5 pesos only guys, only here in Ampo Bakery. Yan guys, dami natin guys. May hotdog bread. Birahin mo guys, 5 pesos nyo guys, may hotdog na yung bread mo. 5 pesos lang. Yan, solid sa bulsa, matakam-takam. At may cheese melt tayo guys, cheese melt. Yan, dami tayong cheese melt guys. Dito pa sa baba guys, oh. Ayan. Ayan ating cheese balls guys. 8 pesos. Ayan guys, nam-nam yan guys. Sarap takamin. Sarap nam-namin. Ayan. Salagang 8 pesos guys. Solid sa bulsa guys. Yan, dami yan guys. This lahat guys. Ito pa guys, may chocolate pa tayo guys with powder milk. Yan, salagang 6 pesos lang guys. Ayan, ang dami guys. So ito yung inside mother bread. Yan, dami guys, oh. Dalawang tray tayo guys, kasi madali lang maubos guys. Yan, may ubi inside. Yan ubi inside guys. Yan. At yan ang ating content for today. Please subscribe my channel YouTube Chong Opma. Please like and share guys, para maraming makapanood. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.